we have not had any meaningful engagement and commitment from the government of the day. And therefore, we are here to state categorically that the strike will officially begin on 7th of December 2020. And all the doctors across the country have been well mobilized and they are ready to withdraw their services for purposes of protecting their lives and equally protecting the lives of Kenyans.
We are not going to allow any doctor to die because of movement from one county to the next. I think these deaths have been very painful. The lack of oxygen is real in the counties. So we cannot be talking about preparedness for 8 months and nothing is being done on the ground. All you are seeing is PR, isolation and treatment centers, which in fact they closed at some point in August and September.